We'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Cloud Storage effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Dropbox website on your desktop and log into your account or sign up if you don't have one. Once you're in, you'll see the homepage, which shows your files and folders. To upload files, click on the Upload button in the top right corner. Then choose either Files or Folder depending on what you want to upload. Navigate through your computer's files, select what you need, and hit Open to start uploading. Dropbox will handle the rest, saving your files securely in the cloud. If you need to create a new folder to organize your files, simply click on the New Folder button, give it a name, and hit Create. Drag and drop files into this folder to keep things tidy. To share your files or folders, hover over the item you want to share. Click the Share button that appears. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and hit Send. You can also copy a link and share it directly with others. Remember, you can customize permissions to allow others to view or edit your files. For more storage options, click on the Account or UP Grade option in your account settings to explore Dropbox's different plans. Also, use the search bar at the top to quickly find files by name or content. Dropbox automatically syncs your files across devices, so whatever you upload on your desktop, you can access on your other devices as well. This makes it great for working on the go or collaborating with others. Don't forget to regularly check your storage space to ensure you're not running out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.